I'm a small manufacturer, machine shop, and mostly what we do is we are an aftermarket manufacturer of wire cutting and stripping blades. I do credit working in other industries to give me the foundation to know how to grow a business. And after 10 years at H&R Block, I wanted to actually build and craft something on my own. And so I decided to look at manufacturing because I felt there was going to be a resurgence in manufacturing. And I purchased the assets to this business, and it has been an interesting opportunity to build, because I did not come from a manufacturing background. We sell around the world. We sell in 15 countries, so we do export all over the place. We are not a contract manufacturer, so we're an aftermarket manufacturer where we identify the product, the cutting tools, and the customer need, and make that and then ship it out. One of the ways that we've innovated that calls us out differently is we put all our products on our online shopping cart. So we have a fairly robust product offering that is actually available on jwbmanufacturing.com. Right now we have like 128 different items that are listed in there. It is the only place in the world that you can actually see the product that you want to have, see if it's if there's an inventory of it, and actually see a price and purchase and buy and have it shipped. So some of the industries that we serve are aerospace, defense, agriculture, telecom, recycling industry. We also, though, sell to like Boeing, GE, Raytheon, Lockheed, but also some small mom and pop shops. The things that really I enjoy about my business is there's a few components. One, I'm looking for and have hired some awesome individuals, whether it's out at the shop, whether it's helping me make sure my shipping is done, whether it is helping me do video or content writing, that's going to utilize the social media space. The other component that we try to strive for here is responding to customers with inquiries, whether it's on the phone with them right away, emails, when they place an order on our website, on our shopping cart, fulfilling those and getting back to them right away so they know their product is being fulfilled. Learning all the different pieces of equipment, learning how to operate them, how to talk with engineers and other companies, and those are the opportunities that I have learned along the way. And it is taking me, I've had this business for 10 years, and it's taking me all of that to continue to learn, and I'm at the point where we are starting to see some explosive growth and really ready to take it.